Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix no audio issues in Google Meet so you can hear and be heard clearly. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will open your Google Meet, and once you're here, you will just have to click the settings button right here and just wait for it to load until you see a pop-up window that says this. So what you will have to do is ensure that the correct microphone and speakers are selected. So just click this more options drop down menu right here, and then you will just have to click use microphone and use camera, and or you could just click it at the same time by clicking use microphone and camera. And what you will have to do is you will just have to make sure that the permissions are enabled for these two. So you will just have to either click allow this time or allow while visiting the site, and it should now work. And by the way, you have to make sure that your device volume is is okay. I mean it's on the level that you want. And after that, after you've ensured that your volume is not muted, then you will just have to close the other apps that might be using audio. And by the way, you could also restart your Google Meet and test the audio using Join Audio Test if it's available for you. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.